Life doesn't get simpler than this. 3 packets, 1 pan, and the most creamy, flavorful steak you've ever had. If you're tired after work, this recipe is your best friend. First, steak. Sirloin or ribeye works best. Next, season the steak lightly with a pinch of salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Now the magic, the 3 packets. First, a ranch seasoning packet. Next, a brown gravy mix packet. And finally, an au jus mix packet. This combo creates deep, rich flavor without effort. We'll also need heavy cream. And of course, you will need plenty of butter. Fresh parsley is a great optional garnish. In part 2, we turn these simple packets into a restaurant-style sauce. Start by searing the steak in butter. Cook until golden on both sides. Remove the steaks from the pan and set them aside. Pour in the rich, heavy cream. Then sprinkle in the ranch seasoning packet. Next, the gravy mix. And finally, the au jus mix. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Let it simmer until thick. Return the steak to the pan. Spoon the sauce generously over the top. Look at that creamy sauce. Rich, savory, comfort food at its best. And all from 3 simple packets. If you love easy dinners like this, comment easy below. It helps my recipes reach more busy families. And I'll keep sharing simple meals that taste expensive.